Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson operations on rational numbers. We have already discussed about the addition of rational numbers in worksheet 1. Now we will understand the subtraction of rational numbers. Subtracting y from x is adding the additive inverse of y to x. So you are subtracting y from x means you are adding the additive inverse of y to x. So x minus y is equal to x plus negative of 1. Here y is positive, so you are adding the additive inverse means the negative of 1. So that is the meaning of subtraction. Even in the integer lesson also you have understood like this in 6th standard. Now coming to the example 7, subtract 7 by 5 from 6 by 3. So subtracting 7 by 5 from 6 by 3 means what? 6 by 3 you have to write first minus 7 by 5. Now, it is the same method, we have to take the LCM. For addition and subtraction, we have to take the LCM. Now, in the worksheet 1, we have taken the LCM and we have multiplied numerator and denominator by some number to make it an equivalent rational number. But now, we will go a little bit higher level. So 3 and 5. What is the LCM? 3 5s are 15 because both are the prime numbers. So 15 आप लोग एक बार लिखो. Now the first rational number 6 into 3. How much are 15? 3 5s are 15. So multiply 6 by 5 minus, अभी इसका न्यूमरेटर है 7 into, अभी डिनोमिनेटर से पूछो 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are 15. Multiply by 3. Hope you are understanding. So first you write 3 and 5. What is the LCM? Write only once in the denominator. Then write the numerator of the first rational number and put the multiplication sign. Now you ask the denominator 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. So multiply this by 5. Now put this sign minus 7 numerator, write it, put the multiplication sign. Now you ask this denominator 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are. So multiply this by 3. समझ में आया होगा सबको? अभी 6 5s are 30 minus 7 3s are 21 upon 15. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. Now here 2 minus 2, 0. So 9 by 15. Now 9 by 15, it is in the table of 3. 3 3s are, 3 5s are. Now the answer is 3 by 5. So you have to subtract and convert into the standard form. The lowest term में convert करने का है. Now next example, subtract 5 by 63 from minus 6 by 7. So write the second, this rational number first. So minus 6 by 7, subtract, इसके लिए minus sign, this is 5 by 63. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Second rational number, subtraction sign of first rational number. Because it is subtract from. Now 7 and 63. What is the LCM? 63. बड़ा नंबर 63 7 का टेबल में है. तो अभी फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर -6 into the denominator 7. How much are 63? 7 9s are 63 minus ये इसका न्यूमरेटर 5. 63 how much are ones? Now multiply. Minus plus minus 6 9s are 54 minus 5 ones are 5 upon 63. अभी माइनस माइनस सेम साइन, इसके लिए माइनस 54 प्लस 5 59 अपॉन 63. आगे तो इस टर्म में कन्वर्ट करने को नहीं होगा. ठीक है. सो डायरेक्टली माइनस माइनस है तो ये सब प्लस द नेगेटिव वो सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट इज ओनली टू अंडरस्टैंड. यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट. And this method you can use in the first worksheet also if you are comfortable. So it is just for your convenience. In the first worksheet I have taught you that method, but at a higher level directly you can do like this. So if you are comfortable you can use the same method in the worksheet 1. कोई आप लोगों को बोलेंगे नहीं. ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही मेथड से करो. यू हैव टू जस्ट कन्वर्ट इनटू द इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो एडिशन में भी ऐसे ही हम लिखे थे. सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स x and y, x minus y is not equal to y minus x. एडिशन में yes, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्शन में no. It is in general. In fact, x minus y is equal to minus of y minus x. The answer will be the opposite. Okay, sign change होगा. Now coming to the this is called as the commutative property, isn't it? The order of two rational numbers, if it is changed, then it is the commutative property, does not hold true for subtraction. तो अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे 2/3 minus 7/6, when you see it won't be equal to 7 minus 6 minus 2/3. So LHS आप लोग करेंगे तो 2/3 minus 7/6. सो पहले के मेथड से यू हैव कन्वर्टेड 3 को 6 में कन्वर्ट करने का है ना. एलसीएम इज 6. सो 3 2s are 2 2s are minus 7/6. इट विल बी द सेम क्योंकि एलसीएम 6 है. सो 2 2s are 4/6 minus 7/6. आंसर इज minus 3/6. लेकिन 7/6 minus 2/3 करेंगे. 7/6 as it is रहेगा minus 2/3. 2 2s are 3 2s are. It becomes 4/6. So 7 minus 4 you get 3/6. See, this is minus 3/6. This is 3/6. That's what they told. So the answer will be opposite. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Is it okay? Now coming to the second property, that is associative property. मतलब 3 rational numbers when we take, the answer won't be same. So for rational numbers x, y and z, in general x minus y minus z is not equal to x minus y minus z. मतलब इधर फर्स्ट सेकेंड को सब्ट्रैक्ट किए और इधर सेकेंड एंड थर्ड का पहले की. So associative property does not hold true for subtraction. So if you see the example 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, it won't be equal to 5 by 4 minus ब्रैकेट में 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. So first LHS करेंगे ये. So 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. पहले इसका LCM लेंगे तो 4 है. So 5 by 4 will be as it is. 3 by 2 convert to denominator 4. So you have to multiply by 2 और minus 2 by 3 as it is. तो ये बनेगा ब्रैकेट के अंदर 5 by 4 minus 3 2 जा 6 by 4 और ये minus 2 by 3. तो ये आंसर आएगा -1. Why? 6 is the bigger number, sign is minus. So -1 by 4 और ये -2 by 3. अभी 4 and 3 में LCM क्या रहेगा? 4 is the bigger number. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 3 के टेबल में 12 है. So convert this into 12. So -1 by 4, 4 3s are, so multiply numerator by 3, minus 2 by 3, convert to 12, so 3 4s are, so 2 4s are. So you will be getting minus 1 3s are 3 by 12 minus 2 4s are 8 by 12. अब इधर भी माइनस इधर भी माइनस. अभी देखो ये डायरेक्टली आप लोग ये एडिशन का वो सब फिर से नहीं कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली माइनस माइनस देखो एडिशन का रूल यूज करो. सो माइनस माइनस एड, साइन इज माइनस, 8 plus 3 is 11 by 12. Now coming to the RHS, write the question. So second and third you have to do first. So 5 by 4 as it is. Now 2 and 3. The LCM is 6. So 3 by 2. 2 3s are 6. So multiply by 3. Minus 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Now 5 by 4 as it is. This became minus bracket के अंदर 3 3s are 9 by 6 minus 2 2s are 4 by 6. So you got 5 by 4 minus 9 minus 4 is 5 by 6. Now 4 and 6 में LCM आएगा 12. बड़ा नंबर 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. तो 5 by 4 को 12 में करने के लिए 4 3s are 12. Multiply numerator denominator by 12. Sorry 3. Minus 5 by 6. 6 को 12 में करने के लिए multiply by 2. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15 by 12. Minus 5 2s are 10 by 12. So that means 5 by 12 you got. So answer is fully different. LHS is not equal to RHS. Here the answers won't be same. Hope you have understood these two properties. Okay. So for these sums will be asked for verification, and the properties you should remember. The two numbers, then it is the commutative property. 3 numbers, then it is the associative property. Now coming to the property 3. What is the property 3? Identity element of subtraction does not exist. In addition, it was a 0, but here it won't exist because x minus 0 is x. But 0 minus x will be minus x. It won't be the same rational number. That is why the identity element of subtraction does not exist. Now coming to the property 4. Since the identity element of subtraction does not exist, the question for finding the inverse of subtraction does not arise. उधर एडिटिव इनवर्स था, ऐसे इधर नहीं आएगा. Is it clear? Now coming to example 9. What number should be added to minus 3 by 5 so as to get 3 by 7? What number should be added to minus 3 by 5 so as to get 3 by 7? What number should be added? You don't know. So, let it be x. So, what number should be added? Added. What number should be added to minus 3 by 5 so as to get 3 by 7? So, this is the equation. So, you have to be careful to form the equation. What number? So, let the number be x to be added to minus 3 by 5 so as to get means equal to 3 by 7. Now, x is equal to the here first number, second number, third number. To get the second number, we have to subtract first from the third, means third number 3 by 7 minus the first number. First number is minus 3 by 5. Remember, to get the second number, third number minus the first number. So, it is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So, to get this 5, what we are going to do? 8 minus 3. Yes or no? So, the same method we have to use here. To get the second number, third number minus the first number. Okay, now ordinary subtraction. So, if we take, what is the LCM? 7 and 5. Both are the prime numbers. So, 7 5s are 35. Now, first 3 is the numerator. Put the multiplication sign. Now, you ask 7 how much are 35? 7 5s are 35. Put the sign minus and again minus 3 into denominator is 5. 5 how much are 35? 5 7s are multiply by 7. समझ में आ रहा है ना? तो 7 एंड 5 का एलसीएम 35 है क्योंकि दोनों प्राइम नंबर से जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई राइट वन टाइम. फर्स्ट नंबर का न्यूमरेटर 3 है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालो, उसका डिनोमिनेटर को पूछो 7 हाउ मच जा 35? 5 जा. सो न्यूमरेटर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. अब इधर साइन माइनस है, ए बी साइन माइनस ब्रैकेट डाल के लिखो और न्यूमरेटर 3 लिखो और मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालो. 5 हाउ मच जा 35? 5 7 जा, तो उसको 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. होप इज इट क्लियर? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? नाउ 3 5s are 15. Now minus of minus is plus. You know, minus of minus is plus. 3 7s are 21 by 35. 5 plus 1 6. 1 plus 2 3 by 35. This is the answer. So, answer 36 by 35 should be added to minus 3 by 5 so as to get 3/7. This is the answer. Is it clear? Hello. All students, hope you are clear with this topic. Now coming to the example 10, first and second subdivision. Okay. It is 5/4 minus 7/6 minus of minus 2/3. Take the LCM of all the numbers together. So it will be 4, 6 and 3. The biggest number is 6. 6 ones are 6. Here it is a multiple, but here no. 6 twos are 12. Yes, in 4 and 3 it is there. So 12 is the LCM. Now numerator is 5 into. Denominator is 4. 4 how much are 12? 4 threes are. Right? Minus second number का numerator 7. 6 how much are 12? 6 twos are. Multiply by 2. Minus bracket minus 2 into 3 how much are 12? 3 fours are 12. So multiply by 4. Now multiply and see the answer. 3 fives are 15 minus 7 twos are 14 minus minus plus 2 fours are 8 upon 12. So 15 minus 14 is 1 plus 8/12. That means you got 9/12. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. Answer is 3/4. Okay. Now coming to the second subdivision. 5, 15 minus 10. First convert. So minus 3/5 minus 4/15 minus, now this one will be minus 7/10. सबसे पहले ये काम करने का है आपको. डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है तो उसको पॉजिटिव करने का है. नाउ आस्क 5, 15 and 10. 15 ones are 15. So here it is there, but here no. 15 twos are 30. Here also it is there. Here also it is there. Here 5 का टेबल में भी है, 10 का टेबल में भी 30 है. तो हमें क्या करने का है? अभी डिनोमिनेटर 30 एक बार लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट का न्यूमरेटर -3. नाउ यू आस्क द डिनोमिनेटर 5 हाउ मच are 30? 5 6 are 30. Minus numerator is -4 into 15 how much are 30? 15 twos are 30. Multiply. Now minus 7. Okay, numerator 10 how much are 30? 10 threes are 30. Hope you are understanding this method. Now minus plus minus 6 threes are 18. minus प्लस, नहीं तो पहले ये करेंगे माइनस प्लस माइनस 4 twos are 8 माइनस प्लस माइनस 7 threes are 21 upon 30. Now open the brackets. minus 18 minus plus 8 minus plus 21 upon 30. So it is a minus 18 और ये बनेगा प्लस 9 अपॉन 30. अभी डिफरेंट साइंस है, सो बड़ा नंबर प्लस है. सो 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 1 1. Answer is 11/30. Is it clear? Hope you have understood the examples of a subtraction, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Bye.